What is plutocracy? Etymologically speaking, the word plutocracy comes from the two Greek words, plautos, which means wealth, and kratos, which means rule or power. Plutocracy, therefore, literally means rule by the wealthy. Formally defined, plutocracy refers to a form of government that is controlled exclusively by the wealthy, either directly or indirectly. As we can see, plutocracy can result in policies exclusively designed to assist the wealth or serve their interest. Put differently, plutocracy describes a recognized type of government, such as democracy, communism, or monarchy, that either intentionally or by circumstance allows the wealthy to control most political and economic aspects of the society. Plutocracy can be created either directly by enacting economic policies advantageous to the wealthy, like investment tax credits, or indirectly by making vital social resources, such as education and health care, more easily accessible to the wealthy than to the less financially advantaged classes. However, it is important to note that while plutocracy might be found to some degree in all forms of government, it is far more likely to become permanent in those that do not allow regular free elections, such as totalitarianism, authoritarianism, and fascism. In democratic countries, the people have the power to vote plutocrats out of office. While the first recorded use of the term in English dates to 1631, the concept of plutocracy has been present since ancient times. As early as 753 BCE, the Senate of the Roman Empire was controlled by a group of aristocrats, whose wealth afforded them the power to elect local government officials and dictate new social policies. Other examples of historic plutocracies include pre-World War II Japan under Emperor Hirohito, and the Kingdom of France before the French Revolution of 1789. As we can see, policies enacted and enforced in a plutocracy tend to redound to the benefit of the wealthy either directly or indirectly. The specific content of government policies may vary greatly based on local and historical economic, political, and social conditions. Of course, these do not usually take the form of explicit policies that openly favor the wealthy as a stated policy goal, but nonetheless set in motion those economic processes and practical consequences that favor the interests of the wealthy. For example, most modern countries are nominally democracies that, in practice, require the support of wealthy donors to effectively campaign for office or influence policy. Expenditures by wealthy individuals and corporations on activities, such as political campaigns, legal lobbying, socially conscious activism, and occasionally direct bribery determine most or all of public policy. As a result, a relatively small proportion of the population, with access to the majority of the wealth and control of the commanding heights of economics and finance, are able to shape both public opinion and public policy in their own interests.